My dear student, in the previous 2 days, we studied the sentence and its parts, and we also did an exercise based on the subject and the predicate. Now, today we will study further. Today we will study the kinds of a sentence. First, today we will know the first kind of the sentence, that is an assertive sentence. Okay, so without wasting our time, let us know something more about the sentence and its kinds. Okay, sentence. Its kind, its first kind is assertive sentence. Generally it is of 5 kinds, and today we will study its first kind, that is an assertive sentence. What is an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence, or we can also write like this: the sentence which makes a statement is called an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence, or you can also call it statement, right? Here is a word, a statement of many kinds, like anyone's feeling, event, anything, right? For example, Alex is a very good player. It is my opinion. His mother raised him to be a gentleman. Right? Now we will know the identification of an assertive sentence. What are the identification? First one is after subject there should be a verb. Second one is there should be a full stop in the last of a sentence, right? Structure. What is the structure? Structure is like this: subject plus verb plus, and in the last there should be a full stop. Let's take an example. What he says is true. Why he always comes late is not known to me, right? Now you have to tell me where is the subject and the verb. This is obviously a verb and this is our subject. पूछोगे सर this can be also a verb and this is also a this is also a subject and this is also a verb. Yes, you can say, but in a broader way you will have to say it a subject as a noun clause. नाउन क्लाउज के रूप में यहाँ यूज़ हुआ है. आगे के क्लासेस में हम इसे पढ़ेंगे. सेकेंड यहाँ है वाई ही ऑलवेज कम्स लेट. वाई ही ऑलवेज कम्स लेट is not known to me. Here is the subject and this is our verb and there is a full stop, so it is an assertive sentence, right? We will know the kinds of an assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. The first kind is affirmative sentence. And the second one is negative sentence. Affirmative means सकारात्मक वाक्य and negative means नकारात्मक वाक्य. Let us know its definition. An affirmative sentence simply states something that is positive, right? If I say Ram is a very good hockey player, then it is a affirmative sentence. And one thing more, in an affirmative sentence there should not be any negative word, right? Now we will know about negative sentence. Negative sentence is what? A negative sentence is usually made negative by placing adverb not after the finite verb. Means a negative sentence is usually made. Generally हम negative sentence कैसे बनाते हैं? फाइनाइट वर्ब के बाद नेगेटिव नॉट लगा करके, एडवर्ब नॉट लगा करके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज नॉट वर्किंग these days, right? So here is the word adverb not and here is the finite verb is. So this is an negative sentence, right?